popular question that I'm constantly asked about the surronster's fork. Well, the surronster's fork is gone. I don't do that anymore. It was a spring fork. It was basically one of these that I had been modifying. I put in different sleeves, different bolts, rubber bushings, and dirt bike springs that I had cut and ground to make it a proper length. Well, some of those springs wound up wearing out, and some of my customers thought they needed something softer than what they really needed. So it didn't work out that great. And then I went to, these guys. These are Honda XR70. These are dirt bike forks. They belong on the small dirt bike that's about that size. I made a bunch of them, and they're not bad. They're a little soft, but for a lighter rider, they feel great. Anybody that's adult sized, however, it feels kind of soft and squishy. I'm sending 2 right now. I made a lot of them, so I'm selling 2 right now. That's about it. That's better than the surronster's fork. Okay? Then I did this. This is my Generation 4 forks, basically. So we had the cheesy ones like that, and then I did a half step, and then I got those, right? So we got those, and now I'm doing these. And these are what goes on SXs and MXs really, really well. They don't go very well on the RSF because they touch right here. I have a customer named Morgan Disney. He's a pretty cool dude, and he said that he lost a lot of turning radius. And I was worried about that, so I bought this kit. Started putting these together. This is full extension. Look at that. See that? That beam is literally touching the trestle. So you have absolute full turn. Not losing anything. You couldn't even turn it that much when you had one of these. See, look, it doesn't touch. So you get more turning radius there. All right, so that's what he's going to get for his RSF. And then we made these for the SX. And I even offer a real dirt bike brake with a hand cut rotor. Later I'll have some nicer stuff. So that's what we're doing. And then I've got another set here that's even crazier, but that's for a big bike, and I'm not ready to show that yet. And I also have a set of 14s that I'm going to put on, not this SX, but that SX. So we're going to go ahead and build yet another bike so I can show you guys another set of forks. But the surronster forks are just springs. They're garbage. You don't want it. Clunky, clunky, bang, bang. It's no fun. They wear out. That's basically what surronster's fork is, but modified. Don't do that. You want that. Or if you have an RSF, you want those. Okay? If you have an SX, these are fantastic. They're great. You want them. You love them. They're great. And they get you brake upgrades. And then, as soon as the other tubes come in, we're going to slap a 14 on there. Yeah, that's going to be crazy. And it will have more travel. It's going to be longer, so that wheel is going to come out more. And then I have a stretch swing arm, so we're going to bring the arm out. The wheel's going to be about right there. See the back of the fender? I want the wheel to line up there. And then it's going to be like a legit dirt bike, huh? So, what do we learn? These are garbage. Those are garbage. These are real. These are real serious. And these are real crazy. I hope that's been helpful. I haven't contacted him to give him any upgrades on the newer forks yet, but you don't want those, okay? Have a good night.